Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. This is my grocery haul for the week. I spent $25 and let's see. I spent $26.97. So let me show you what I got. So here I have 2 tomatoes and a lemon. I got some pepper jack cheese, some green leaf lettuce. I'm gonna make curry chicken salad wraps with lettuce instead of a tortilla. I have Greek yogurt for the chicken salad. I bought these vegan crispy tenders, so I'm going to try it out and see how that tastes. I have some oven roasted turkey breast, some steamed fresh green beans, and I'm also trying this rice veggie cauliflower medley for the first time. Hopefully that tastes good. For the curry chicken salad, I have golden raisins as well as curry powder, and I bought some chipotle mayo to make lettuce wrapped turkey sandwiches. And that is my small grocery haul. Hey y'all, so this is the curry chicken salad. Instead of using a croissant or bread, I decided to use the Greek lettuce. I chopped up tomatoes, and then here's the chicken salad mix. Again, I will list the recipe down below, but I'm so excited to try it out. Hey y'all, so I just want to let you know I'm going to put the recipe for the curry chicken salad down in the description box below. But let me know if you guys like these videos, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.